Welcome back to SA Live. Well, it's a big concern for parents, especially right now, keeping your kids safe from gun violence. And a coalition of Bexar County organizations is trying to prevent child gun tragedies by promoting safe gun storage. And they've teamed up with University Health to save lives. Here to tell us more about the Gun Safety Forbear program is Jennifer Northway from University Health. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you.
All right, let's get to how do you store guns safely? And, and of course, let's talk a little bit about how the program can help.
Absolutely. So because we've seen an unfortunate increase in firearm-related suicide in both kids and adults, as well as an increase in the number of children who found weapons and unintentionally hurt themselves or killed someone. We've come together as a coalition, the Sheriff's Office, Judge Wolf's Office, Safe Kids San Antonio, Be Smart, Moms Demand Action, and VIA, to provide free gun locks in the community and talk to folks about what they can do to keep their children safe.
And how can they get those?
Yes, so we are so happy to have several distribution partners throughout San Antonio. If folks visit gunsafetyforbear.org, they can see the list of distribution partners in our community, and they can pick up whatever they need. We have cable locks and trigger locks. Those are shown here today. However many quantities they need, and of course they'll also receive information on the suicide prevention hotline, as well as some other tips to make sure that their home is safe.
So how do these, gun safe locks work?
Sure. So we offer two different kinds. It really depends on the type of firearm that you have. This particular version right here is a trigger lock. And so if you are placing it on the weapon, first you want to make sure that it's unloaded. We don't want to have any ammunition in the chamber whatsoever. And so you would place the flat piece at the top here, and then basically just attach this other side, press it tight, and now it's locked and somebody can't reach the trigger. Of course, you never want to store the keys with the lock and the weapon, and you also want to store the ammunition separately.
And make sure there's no ammunition left, of
Absolutely,
course.
Because if you do leave a round in the chamber, if you're trying to take the lock off or put the lock on, it could go off and unfortunately hurt somebody.
All right, and of course, how can you parents ask about, hey, if my kid's going to somebody's house, they may ask, are there any allergies, or this or that. Does that conversation needs to open up beyond that, right?
Absolutely. So we want to make sure our children are safe, but when they're going to friends' homes for play dates, we need to take our conversations with our children's friends' parents one step further. We're asking about allergies, we're asking about pets in the home. We need to start getting comfortable with also having the conversation about safe gun storage. And we want to make sure that firearm ownership is as safe for those who have guns as well as those who don't have weapons. So ask the conversation, do the kids have any allergies? We're going to be getting together. Do you have any weapons in the home? How are they stored? My child's not used to being around weapons. I want to make sure they're safe.
All right, so let's get the information up on the screen. You can learn more about safe gun storage or find a free gun lock pickup location by visiting gunsafetyforbear.com. And for more information on University Health, visit universityhealthsystem.com. Jennifer, thank you so much for all that information.